They say you don't gotta go home, but you can't stay here. And no, I don't wanna be alone.
Hi and welcome back to BIM Solutions. In this video I'm going to show you how to use filters to display your pipework, ductwork, whatever other MEP service you're modeling. And then I'm going to show you an easier way of doing it without filters. So for this I just created two different sets of pipes. So we have two domestic cold water, two domestic hot water. To add a filter to this, we can just press VG for visibility graphics, go to the filters tab, we'll add domestic cold, domestic hot. And for cold we'll put blue, we'll use the solid fill. And for hot we'll go with red. The same again, solid fill. Click OK. Now you can see that looks pretty good. But now when we go into our default 3D view, you can see our filters are gone and we have to add them again. That can take a lot of time if you're using a lot of views and you can't set up a view template, but I find it easier to do it another way. So we'll go back into our plan view, we'll remove our filters, and we're going to go over here into our project browser, and down to pipes, pipe and systems. So what we'll do here is we have domestic cold water, we'll right click, duplicate. We can rename it, but I'll leave it for now. We'll go to type properties. And here in our materials tab, click the three dots. Now we'll type in copper. And we're going to duplicate this. And we're going to call it copper cold water services. And we'll duplicate that. We'll call it copper hot water services. So for this one, copper cold water services, I'm going to select color. I'm going to add blue. For our hot water, I'm going to use red. I'll click OK. So we're on our cold water, so we'll change that cold water, click OK, click OK again, and we'll duplicate our hot water services. Right click, type properties, material by category, select our copper hot water services. Select OK, and OK again. Now you can see nothing has changed here. What we're going to do is select our bottom pipe here. We're going to change our system type. Put that on domestic hot water 2. And for this here, we're going to put it on domestic cold water 2. Now I'll just add the filters just to show you why I'm doing this. So we'll add our cold and hot. Same again, blue, solid, this is red, solid, click OK. Now I know you're thinking they look exactly the same, but now when we go into our 3D view you'll see the difference. because we've added the material color. In every view we go into, the colors will stay the same, and we wanted to add the filters to each view. When we export to Navisworks, we can still keep those colors, and it's easy to identify what service is what. The reason I duplicated the copper then is if you want to, for some reason, render your pipework or whatever, go back here into realistic, and you can see everything looks like copper pipework. Go back to shaded, and you have your material colors. That's just a simple way I like to display the pipework when I'm modeling. I find it very handy, and it's easy to identify what's what. Hope this helps. Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. And if you have any questions at all, please just comment below and I'll get back to you. Thanks.